Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're purchasing. We're on the West Bank at Jefferson Parish in Westwego. So this house has been in the family a long time. The family owned the next door as well at some point, which they sold. And they're looking to sell it now and move on. And when I show you around, you'll see they really needed to sell to a cash buyer like us. The house definitely isn't ready for a tenant. It's going to need a pretty significant rehab, but that's fine. That's what we do. We buy houses in as is condition. We like to come in and add value. So, like a house like this, while we'll turn off a lot of home buyers, for us, this is the sort of thing we like because we're efficient. We have crews, we can fix houses probably a lot cheaper than, general person on the street can do it. So, for us, we can come in and add value. We can give a good price to the seller who, for them to sell it without lifting a finger at the price we pay them, it's generally a really good deal for them. And because we do the renovations much more efficiently than most people, there's also a good profit margin for us. So it's a real win-win scenario. So I'll show you around. Now they have taken everything they want. So one of the benefits of selling as is that you can leave this stuff behind because it's hard to move, right? So there's quite some decent stuff here. So we'll probably see if we can donate it to Unity or Bridge House, some of this stuff and whatever they don't want, we will just throw in the dumpsters. So you can tell there's take it on water from the rain. So there's definitely some damage to fix here, as well as the house is definitely dated. So even if without those issues, it's not really for today's taste. So we're gonna come in and fix it up, make it nice for maybe a new homeowner or maybe a tenant. Haven't figured that out yet. We're going to make that decision soon. Yeah, definitely need some work. So guys, if you're looking to sell a house in as-is condition, reach out to us. Even if it's inherited. So in actual fact, this one, the owner is on title, but also there's two other deceased family members on title. So as part of the sales process, our title attorney is doing the succession for them. So we do that all the time. Because often people come to us and they haven't, the property's rightfully theirs, but it hasn't gone through succession. So that is fine. You can still sell it. You can't actually sell it. We can't close yet, but you can sign the contract to sell it, and then we can start all the title work, and our title company will do the succession for you. So obviously not us. I'm not a lawyer, but the title company, they will do the succession as part of the sale. So basically, the day the succession goes through, they put the property into your name, and then we buy it the same day. So it's just a nice seamless transaction. And the benefit for that is you don't need to pay for the succession out of pocket. You can just pay from the proceeds of the sale. So obviously we bring the cash to the title company, and the title company will take off the cost of the succession from that amount of money. So you're not coming out of pocket, which a lot of our sellers really appreciate. So if you're selling your property, reach out to us. Check out our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. You'll see a lot of information on selling your house, selling an inherited property, a property as is, a property with tenants. So check it out. And if you want to talk about your property, give us a call. We're happy to chat. Thank you.